Is it too late to fix our relationship? Many couples wonder if they waited too long. By the time many of them call, one question remains. Have we missed our chance? The answer is actually more hopeful than they expect. Relationships rarely fall apart overnight. See, distance builds slowly. More criticism, more defensiveness, more shutting down. People assume that the love disappeared, but really it didn't. It's the emotional safety that went away. I hear this all the time. We should have come years ago. What I almost never hear is, whoa, we came way too early. Waiting makes the cycle stronger, but stronger doesn't mean it's permanent. The problem usually isn't one person, rather, it's the cycle. And when couples see that cycle, hope often returns. What really matters is not how much you fought, it's whether you're still both willing. Can you still be curious? Can you still slow down together? Change usually starts quietly. One pause, one softer response, one different conversation. And soon, those small moments of emotional safety become something much, much bigger, and you're on your way.